Here the qualifications of the teachers are necessary. This is what it said. But they sent us persons who are already in service.
Please, my lords.
Then the Supreme Court gave them time to comply with.
Comply for 2 years, failing which, my lords, the court said you will be out of the job.
Correct.
Failing which? No,
In service already
in service,
exists. Your case is
Analogy.
not in service.
no, my lords, analogy.
You are now appointing them.
No, my lords, I'll just give an analogy. I'm not appointing afresh. 2000, I'm just saying from 2003, I have continued certain people.
You said you're having counseling.
That is
Sir,
every,
counseling is only the point.
please, my lords, every year, my lords, based on the persons who worked earlier, my lords, I'll just give a statistics. Even reconcile.
Your case is only choice of guest lecture.
We are saying confirm that.
The memo that you gave, there are 4 subjects, there are sufficient number of persons available.
My lords, that is
Let's break it down to simple propositions.
Please, my lords.
The first proposition is the qualification requirement.
Please.
Your entire appeal proceeds on the basis that guest lecturers are not contractual employees.
Please.
Lecturers, they are other than the education. That you can't be serious.
No, my lords, by filing the
expressed.
Please, my lords, based on what my lords have expressed.
That qualification is up.
Please, my lords.
You're also to some extent acceptable. Yes, those qualifications you said give us 1 year.
Please.
Now today you have persons who are available,
Please.
who have the qualifications. So how will you appoint anybody else?
No, my lords, what we are.
You could have understood if they're already in employment, you had to remove them from service. Removal of service for 20 years entails its own issues. And assuming that we can take a cue on this, we could have passed.
Can I just clarify it the other way around? It's like this. We are now reconciled to the fact that the single judge's order can be upheld. All we are saying is we'll implement the single judge's order from 26-27.
I'm asking you why.
Why, my lords, for this reason. From 2018 is the regulations that they are seeking to enforce. I have continued, my lords, now for the 2024-25, the guest lecturers who have continued out of 10,000 people, I've given the statistics in my affidavit. 50%, my lords, are persons who have NAT, 50% don't have NAT. The 50% who don't have NAT have been continued, my lords, from 2003 onwards. So what we are saying is, we will be able to continue.
That's not what you are saying. You're not saying there is any continuity of guest lecturers. You are saying every academic year you appoint them afresh.
We do that, my lords. Every academic year we give a break.
You go through counseling.
You
appoint them fresh.
Afresh,
you look at it. You give them weightage for the services past. You select somebody who's got a higher weightage. You give him that.
Please,
you give weightage for education there. And now you say it's continuing.
No, it's continuing in the sense that in view of the weightage, the persons, my lords, who are working, a temporary person is not replaced by another temporary person, which has been upheld by the single judge also. So what we are saying is, what we continued, as a matter of fact, my lords, from 2003, 1 year permit us to continue. We will finish this year. Academic year has started.
We are nobody to permit you. We can't tell you please do a crosser. We don't have Article 142 with us. Even if you were to persuade us.
No, it's only that judgment specific.
We only look at the laws. We are looking at the principle of law under which we can help you.
Then, my lords, the other way, my lords, as my lords have pointed out, was only with regard to where there is shortfall of even.
We can understand exigencies.
Because that is exigency, my lords.
That we can grant you. Yes, we will subject to what they say. We will pass.
I represent the guest lecturers, my lord. We are serving the government as a guest faculty from last 15 years, more than 15 years.
You know the qualifications.
So you currently were pursuing the PhD, my lord. So the outer limit for completing the PhD is 5 to 6 years, my lord.
You could take NET, you could take SET, you could take any one of those. Now the qualifications are not there. Under what principle of law can we say no?
More than 50% out of 5,000, my lord, they are pursuing their PhD. It's in third year, my lord. Third year we have completed. We have submitted our thesis. So by the time we finish, it will take another 1 year, my lord.
Okay, I understand the point. Question is, this qualification came out some time ago.
They are about to relieve us, my lord, from last 15 years, for more than 15 years, my lord. We are in our 55 years, my lord, actually.
We understand.
So within 5-6 years, we are going to retire.
We understand the problem. It's not that we are not conscious of it. That's why we are devoting this kind of time to find out whether there is a solution. We will let him argue the matter.
For meager sum of 30,000 rupees, we are serving from last 15 years, my lords.
That's the extension that now they are seeking cannot be given, my lords, because of statement of objections at page 192 of the writ appeal, my lords. They themselves, my lords, in their statement of objections before the learned single judge, said they portrayed in such a way that, my lord, the writ petition is a premature because they have time till 13/1/2025. My lords, they impliedly assured that all the guest faculties who they have been appointing will have the necessary qualification by 13/1/2025, my lords. Now they cannot seek one more year extension.
That's why the council is really pointing out that as far as those
The university regulation contained a year 2000.
you don't have, you have seats available and your requirement is there. You don't have qualified persons.
Please, my lord.
To that extent, you can't come and say that no, please don't take guest lecturers at all. That to that extent, even for some, there may not be specific qualifications prescribed also.
Please.
Only for the extent where adequate sufficient number of persons are available.
Where there is shortfall.
Where there is a shortfall, they'll be able to try to, for the ad hoc period, continue that.
These minutes I will leave it because we just want a.
That
why
may
does
be
this
made
fair
clear,
others?
Manoj,
That's
only
one way
with
of
the-
it.
That may be made clear, my lords, where shortfall, wherever, if they are putting it on affidavit, my lords, it is only for the
They put a memo,
We have stated in the affidavit itself that wherever shortfall.
affidavit, my lords.
That's what we had stated in paragraph 11 of the affidavit was give us 1 year. From the next year, we'll do that. Now, my lords are not allowing that. My lords can pass any order. Still, my lords,
Your lordships.
can I make one attempt? 1 year, my lords, we'll just.
With no difficulty, we were willing to give it to you, but the question is, we're also bound by law. We are
how
only
this-
trying to think out, tell us on which principle of law
On the
we-
principle, my lords, where Supreme Court has permitted, I would say it is analogous. Again, ever in service, my lords.
In service,
In service.
in a matter which comes, of course they can do it. This is not in service, you're wanting counseling to be completed.
I get it. I will leave.
Call them on Monday and we'll pass.
Please,
it on.
please, my lords.
Please.
Your Lordships, I'm appearing on behalf of the intervening applicants, Your Lordships, who are the UGC qualified candidates who have applied for the post of guest faculty lecturer for the ensuing academic year, Your Lordships. Your Lordships, we possess the minimum qualification as per UGC regulations.
That will give you-
Yes, Your Lordships, please, I have placed reliance on the Honorable Division Bench of the Honorable High Court of Chhattisgarh. If Your Lordships may kindly look into the
You are contesting what he's saying.
Yes, Your Lordships. Your Lordships, this judgment's
It's other way around.
Contesting what you're saying.
Basically,
It's
UGC.
the other way around, my lords.
You don't
They are
need
supporting
to,
other
yeah.
intentions where
But
UGC
you can give us-
regulations.
We are for the UGC qualified candidates, Your Lordships.
And UGC is taking care of them. UGC's contentions cover.
The candidates who are qualified as per the UGC regulations 2018, as per the regulation 13, Your Lordships. Your Lordships, if, it squarely applies to the present matter, Your Lordships. If you may kindly look into para 15, Your Lordships. Page number 9, Your Lordships. The appellant or writ petitioner has failed to establish that an ad hoc or temporary appointee cannot be replaced by another ad hoc or temporary appointee. And if a temporary appointee in service is incompetent, can he not be allowed to be replaced with a competent or more competent person? There is no reason why the competent person cannot be appointed in place of the incompetent person when both the appointments are ad hoc or temporary in nature.
This is not about competency, this is about eligibility, that's all.
Yes, Your Lordships, but
This is not about competency. This
But-
is about,
but-
for all you know, the guest lecturers who are 20 years may be more competent.
Your
The
Lordship,
question is, the rule is whether they fulfill the eligibility condition.
Yes, Your
Eligibility qualification is an issue. This shows it. Memo. Let's see on which subjects you are short.
Please, minutes.
Also, some subjects they said that there is no qualification provided for those.
So, minutes, the rules provide that in the event net or SLET is not conducted in a particular subject, then that requirement is not.
That's right. So that is one
exception.
exception.
And the other exception is where I have shortfall, my lords, of even UGC.
That is what we are creating.
Please, my lords.
And in some subjects, That is all that you can react on. Otherwise,
Yes, my lords.
Let's,
can't hold
Those
up-
2 points,
can't hold
my
up
lords,
their,
only on those 2 points, my lords,
only on those 2 points.
Yes, yes, I'll counter on those 2 points on Monday, my lords.
Okay. Only on Monday. Yes?
By impeding application
No,
mechanism.
no question of
I'm representing the guest faculties, my lord.
Monday, my lords.
deciding on law.
Monday, my lords.
Monday.
Grateful, your lordships.
You are in 82. 85. You had mentioned 85.
For the appellant.